Nice costume, dork.
Shut up! I hate you.
What all candy we got?
You're too old to be going trick-or-treating.
All the dumb teenagers are doing it. Oh. Well, thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, what's your name? What?
Who's this little dork?
Shut up!
What are you doing?
Hey, guys, let's do this in the light. Come here.
Hey, give me some of that.
What, this?
Yes.
You wanna fight?
Give me that. Give me that. No. Ah! Get off me.
Bulleing.
Hey, stop it. It's Halloween, you moron. It's Halloween, not wrestling, you moron. Give me off. Ah!
God, nobody's gonna save you, moron.
Shut up. Shut your face. Hey, get off me.
Hey, what's your name? Okay, Kevin, quit being a douchebag.
You want something to say over the week?
Yeah, okay. Hang on,
Don't you have an axe?
Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna use it for defense. Hey, AJ, quit it. Okay. Alright, are you ready? Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Yeah, little dweeb, are you ready?
Hey, get off me. Ah!
I'm glad nobody's gonna help him. Oh God, my face! Oh!
Moron. Spanking it. AJ, I'm trying to spank him in the butt with my axe.
No!
My glowing axe. Okay, let's take this off you. Alright. I think you can take it off.
Ah, thank you, finally.
Kevin's face hurts. Oh. Oh. Mom! I need a band-aid! I'm dead. No. Kevin! You never die! Kiss my butt! Ugh. I'm Kevin! Oh God, dog, no!
Alright.
No, don't videotape this stuff! My pain! My suffering! Dork! Oh, okay. Oh, my heart! Let's get to my room! I'm Kevin! No! The pain! I'm Kevin! No! Oh! Oh!
AJ, where are you? AJ, come here.
Oh gosh, I can't close the door. Kevin, arm hurts. Oh,
Hey, what's going on?
I hate you, dog. Oh, I'm gonna fight you with one arm. Oh.
Get off of me!
Oh, my hand.
Moron!
Hey, these are mine.
Give me some of that. Give me some of that back. Hey, I'm surrounded by two idiots. One that won't give me his candy.
It's not. Did you just call me a Jew?
Oh, both of you are Jews. You Jews? Oh. Hey, take that back, that was mean.
Okay, good.
But whatever, I don't like you guys. My face!
Alright. What were you gonna say?
I'm surrounded by two idiots. One that won't give me his candy.
This isn't candy, dude.
don't care. And another one that thinks he's cool, but he failed to fight me 3 times.
Actually, the first time you guys fought, he won.
I don't care. This is the very second time I won.
Hey, what are you doing? Nerd.
Alright, what's
You think this is funny?
Okay. That's right, punk. Don't push me again.
I'm gonna bully you.
Stop it! Stop it! Now!
I have gum.
You already failed! Get off of me!
Oh. 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 You kicked me in the face.
AJ, come in here and apologize.
No!
Go in there and
Get over here! No! Stop it!
go and apologize.
Hey, stop it! See?
Alright, both of you morons, better break it up now.
I'm Midget Joe.
So what are you doing?
Screw you. Hey, why are you talking, lizard? Because I can. What? Why? Are you tired? Are you?
Alright. Bullying is wrong. Happy Halloween, everybody. Alright.
Bye.
Blade, say bye.
I'm back. Ah!
Alright, say bye, AJ.
Bye,
Hi
everybody!
guys, I'm Kevin.
Okay.
I'm Kevin and my brother's Joey.
My name's not Joey.
No,
But-
my brother's Joey. You know
Alright.
the guy with the Jason mask?